Okay, as you can see here, I've gone ahead and added all of the artwork in. Let's kind of zoom up on this and pan around, take a look at it. Everything is in there, as you can tell. I've got everything connected so there's actual structural integrity on each one of the panels so that when you laser something out, it's not going to fall out. As you scroll over here to the right, I've got Santa Claus in, I got the modified snowman in, I got the Christmas tree, the star in the sky. So that's all been connected up, and I actually tweaked a little bit of the design here to get it to where it's going to laser better. Down here is a combination of a bell and two bells and a bow and a deer in a glass, in a jar. It's like, like on those snow globes kind of thing. Then over here you got the Christmas ornaments here and two candles. And what I went ahead and did on the design is I added, let me get out of that real quick. I added right here a snowflake on the top of the actual container, so that when the tea lantern is finished, there's going to be light coming through the top of it and maybe reflect off of the ceiling or something. Now notice these rings here. These rings here are going to be the holder of the tea light. So the tea light will set, and if you're looking at this like the top view, each one of these concentric rings will set right over on the top of that, and these T-shaped looking things here are pins that slide down into that. So that way when you put the tea lantern, the tea light into the lantern, the light won't joggle around. It'll stay pretty stable inside those three concentric rings. Now also notice this right here. This is the it's a thing that holds the line that holds the top of the hooks onto the lantern, and this isn't a longer hook right here. It will actually go through the string that goes through this piece right here to level out the actual tea lantern itself when you hang it from the ceiling, or you hang it from a stanchion, or you hang it from the Christmas tree. So that's the final design, and in the design that I send to you and attached in Schoology, we'll have all these base components in it. It'll have the concentric rings, it'll have the blank panels as you see here, but you'll automatically have the alignment holes for when you put the pins in. It'll hold this together. You're just going to come in and change these 5 panels right here. This one up here, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. And that'll be your actual tea lantern artwork. And then from there, like I said earlier, we're going to be able to take this artwork, and we're going to be able to put it back into SolidWorks to create a very accurate model and engineering design from that. But this is kind of a symbiotic process. You go one way with one app, you go the other way with the other app between SolidWorks and Illustrator. Right now SolidWorks is very memory intensive, so it's best to go ahead and do the sketching here, create a DXF file, and then push it into SolidWorks and extrude it, and then assemble the model that you get through with. So right now this is laserable and ready to go, and I'll laser this tomorrow in class, and so you guys can actually see it.